Hi, this is Chris from Tyre Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Kibbers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2013 Hyundai i30 active 5-door hatch, stock reference number 4397. This shape runs from the 3rd month 2012 through to the 12th month 2014. It has a D4FB 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. D4FB 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right hand front and the right hand side with the left hand fog light, left hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch steel rims. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover, park sensor tight. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black vinyl center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, left hand sun visor, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Tyre Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.